Namaskar, this is Pradeep Kumar. Today I will discuss about the term of education and what is the core purpose of education. First of all, we need to know about the term of education. Education means mental and moral training. It is the light that clears up the darkness of ignorance from our mental horizon. The development of a country totally depends on its system of education. The percentage of literacy of our country is 52. The percentage of literacy talks about the lackings of education. This present phase or present status of literacy rate is not good for us, but it is very painful that though the government takes steps to sustain quality in education, it gradually falls. The student do not read attentively. Violence takes place in the seats of education. Those who have passed the exam during this critical period are not well educated. There is lack of proper planning in our education system. The educational institutions are planless. The teachers do not pay attention to their classes. Rather, they are interested in giving private tuition. As a consequence, students get derailed. To get rid of this situation, Bangladesh National Commission has changed the old order and given new rules of education. If these all are practically applied, the educational system may develop. And to develop educational system, students and even the high official of the government should cooperate. So everyone should work heartily for this purpose. We know that there are many problems in our country. Among them, education system is one of them. The lackings of education, the lackings of proper steps, it show that our literacy rate which is low. So we need to proper steps and we need to read properly and we have to take our mental abilities to improve our or to implement our educational system. So thank you all. See you next. Namaskar.